prison, he plots to destroy us. Our only hope might be my pupil Skunk.
Yo, skunk fool, balancing the earths and the heavens with an old wise panda and a whole pack of legends. Fox, rabbit, pig, snake, and killer bees. Duck, crane, tiger, fighting off ninja monkeys and baboons. That evil vagabond prevail over young skunk skills and that old stink tail. Defender of the valley from the dragon in the lake. Use your mind, body, and soul to fly as you meditate. The yin, the yang, the shadow boxing technique, the monkey flip, tiger style.
Skunk fool! The art of small victories.
You're it!
You hear that? I'm it! Woohoo! In your face!
Pig, this is tag. You're not supposed to like being it.
Nice try! I'm not falling for your reverse psychomology. If you want me to be it, you have to catch me!
You're supposed to chase... Baboon!
Hey, Skunk!
Who knows what he'll do if he spots us?
Why is he talking like a little girl?
First battalion, flank left. Third company, double time. Now march!
Cool!
What's cool? Ow!
Oh, stay down or he'll spot us.
Hey, don't want that. Hey, baboon! What you doing?
Who's there?
What? Let's get out of here!
I know someone's here. I can smell you.
Let's get out of here! That was way too close. I'm still shaking.
Me too. I've never felt itchier.
There must have been an ant pile under those leaves.
What makes you say that? Yeah, look at them go. They're like a tiny
Army! Attention! Forward march!
loud face.
Who would have thought the boom would come up with such a fun game? Ant War is cool.
Ant War? I thought this was a dance competition. Okay then, how about this? Air raid!
You shouldn't have done that. You just gave my ants an opening for... Code name, Operation Butt Kicking Bonanza Part 7. Wow! Isn't this the best thing ever?
Not really. I got ants stuck up my nose. Hey, let's find some other bugs to play with. Or some dirt. Dirt's fun.
Just one more battle, come on! Playing ants is awesome!
Are you playing with ants?
Rabbit!
What a nerd!
I'm not a nerd!
Then why am I doing my nerd dance? Nerd! Ow!
That's not funny.
Okay. Sorry. I shouldn't have called you a nerd. You're really more of a doofus.
Oh.
Ow!
Lay off! So what if Skunk plays with ants? He's just a little kid. Little kids are nerdy sometimes. It was Pig! I just came by to make fun of him. Nerd! Neat! play with ants? I hate ants.
Yeah, I hate ants. What's going on here?
How dare you! Not my feet!
That's the sound of victory. My Red Army will eat everything in the valley. Not just all their food, but their weapons and defenses too. You monkeys could take a lesson from these small soldiers. If they were big enough to bring a banana nut smoothie to my bed every morning, I'd get rid of you lot entirely. Look at that ant there. That's a real warrior. He's got a strong will, a loyal heart, and a smoking butt. Oops, sorry.
They just slipped through our fingers. We're too big to fight them.
Why don't you pick on someone your own size?
Yes, you tiny villains. Why don't you? Stand aside, valiant friends. This is the battle Praying Mantis was born to fight. You shall not pass. Too much.
So how are we gonna stop these things?
I've been sitting by myself, trying to figure out how to apologize. I guess it's just really important to me that Fox and Rabbit think I'm a warrior and not a...
Nerdy nerd nerd! The one who plays with ants!
Not me! I don't play with ants! He does! It's him!
I know. That's why we're here.
An army of red ants has invaded the valley. Our kung fu can't stop them. We need our own ant army. Really? Well, actually,
I know. I hate it too. The fate of the valley in the hands of a... nerd.
Yeah, right. That's what I was gonna say. Look! Time to do your thing, pig, over all ant appetizers.
But it's Skunk!
Who's gonna lay it on you if you don't get to it, nerd?
Nice one. Mind if I use that sometime?
Come on, pig, we need you.
Okay. And company forward, march! Huh?
It's working.
Right flag, turn! White flag! Jiminy! Skunk! You got it!
That's the end with dignity?
Huh?
Check. Well, I guess this is goodbye. But hey, at least we're not nerds, right?
What are you, crazy? I'd give anything to be a nerd right now.
What? But you said...
Are you crazy? Who'd rather be eaten by ants than be a nerd?
Well, I guess... me. You know how to play with ants?
If you were a nerd, that'd be the coolest thing ever.
Really? Wow, that's such a relief. I don't know why, but it really freaked me out that you thought I was a skunk. Ants! Right. Let's run, form up.
Well played. I see you know how to handle your ants, but can you handle this? Red Army, execute order Bravo Tango 10!
Thanks, pig. I'm sorry about all the stuff I said.
I don't even remember what you said. Seriously, what did you say?
If you think that will stop my Red Army, you're fools. Hey, they're not fools. They're nerds.
Thanks, Rabbit. You can thank him for not being a total idiot later. Finish this thing and send those ants home. Right flank forward.
I can't lead my ants if I can't see them! Where are they? Sorry.
What do you know? I guess being a nerd is pretty cool.
Okay, little fellas, time for our victory dance. Boy Andy's on the right, girl Andy's on the left. Yeehaw!
The art of influence. Dragon is a genius. This powder he made will shrink the valley's crops. The valley dwellers will be starved into submission. Get to work. What the? You brats! I'll beat the bananas out of you!
Monkeys, stop! Oh no!
And I just can't seem to get my reverse spiral down. What if I mess it up in the performance tomorrow?
Don't worry. You've been practicing for the performance so much, you'll be great.
How can you be so sure? Pig'll probably mess up bad. He's clumsy.
That's a mean thing to say.
Yeah, but it's true. See, your problem is you're a goody two-shoes. You never do or say anything in the least bit mean.
Whatever, Carrot Breath. I don't have time for this. Panda is waiting.
Oh, that was so mean. I have to go cry now. Boo!
Huh?
Are you okay?
My tail itches.
Ooh, freeze! I get them all the time.
Focus on your breathing. When you have achieved stillness of body and mind, it will be time to listen for a voice. This voice is who you truly are, your true self. It is this voice that should help you guide your decisions in life.
This is so boring.
Is something wrong, Skunk?
No, I just thought I heard something.
Perhaps you hear your inner voice.
Really? Wow!
Now we will meditate in silence.
Hey, do you hear me?
Yes!
Yeah, so I'm your inner voice.
Wow! This is so cool! So you're me, my true self!
Right, sure. Listen, don't waste your time with Panda's drivel. You should have some fun.
You're right. I do want to have fun. But how?
Well, you can show everyone you're not a goody two-shoes.
Yeah. What should I do?
Just listen to me. Yourself. I'll tell you exactly what to do and say. Sneak over.
I don't know.
Let your inner voice guide your decisions.
Why did you do that?
Why did I do that?
Because lessons are boring.
Because lessons are boring.
Skunk, are you feeling all right?
Now say,
I feel like crushing the world. Here comes the pain.
It's best to allow him to get it out of the system.
I don't know. Inner voice, maybe I should go back and apologize.
what are you, crazy? You're free. Let's go have more fun.
Hey, Squid, get in here.
Nobody calls us names. Come on, we'll show that miserable rodent.
Remember how I saved your butt last week? And you were all like, oh, you're so awesome, rabbit. Oh, I totally owe you one.
No.
Well, I'm pretty sure you did. So, dust my trophies, huh? But be careful. They're my pride and joy. Time to hit the bag.
What? Oh no! That's a warning. Don't ever call me Squirt again. Got it?
You know, this situation is perfect for causing havoc in the valley. Better than shrinking food. Rest, my empty-headed puppet. You'll need all your energy for tomorrow. Look at that dumb swine. Why's he getting all the attention? Come on, get in there!
No! Pig worked really hard on this performance. I want him to do well.
It'll be hilarious.
Skunk, I didn't know you liked opera. Let's dance. Let's do a butterfly twirl.
Three bears now!
What are you doing?
Show them who's boss.
Show me respect. I dominate you all.
I'm out of here.
Truly Valley Dwellers, I am your master. Everyone hates me.
Good. Now go to Dr. Turtle's lab for one last bit of fun.
Ah, yes, inner voice. I don't understand why I'm looking through all these books.
Aha! That was the formula! Go back, fool!
Fool! You know what, inner voice? I'm tired of listening to you. You're pushy, you're mean, and you made everybody mad at me. I'm leaving.
You will not!
Ow! An inner voice can't do that. Baboon!
Whoa!
Skunk's gone nuts. I better get help. Oh,
Take it easy now.
you tricked me into doing all those horrible things.
Remember all the fun we had together? We make a good team.
See, look, totally bonkers.
Oh, dear. Perfect. Skunk broke my trophies again. He destroyed my lab. He destroyed my dreams.
Look, here he comes. Huh? What are you doing? Let me go.
He's deranged. Look him over, Doc.
Stick out your tongue. That's for ruining my lab. Uh-oh. I'm gonna throw up. Ew.
Now hold on there. Tricked us. Hiya.
I got you.
Huh? You were saying?
I said I got you.
Looks like you've got quite a mess on your hands, eh, Panda?
Hello, Skunk.
I'm sorry, Master.
I know that you have been under his influence.
You never lost faith in me, even though I acted so badly.
There is a way to make things right.
Apologize to all my friends.
There's time for that later. First, we must stop Baboon.
I have brilliantly seen to it that the valley dwellers are unfocused focused and confused. Attack without mercy! Attack without pity!
No one messes with Skunkzilla!
My army! Where's my army? Itchy!
And I'm sorry for the things I did and said to all of you. Sure, Baboon influenced me, but I didn't have to listen to him. So now, I'd like to introduce my good friend and the best dancer in the world, Pig! Way to go!
Ain't that the second best dancer in the world?